Hello guys, welcome back to Photographics Academy. Alright, so today we're going to be looking at how to use Kumoo and retouch your studio portraits in few minutes. Trust me, this is going to be the fastest retouching you have ever done. Why Kumoo? Because Kumoo allows you to retouch even more than 50 pictures in less than 15 minutes, provided you know exactly how to go about it. And that is what we're looking at in this video, how you can use Kumoo to retouch your images in few minutes. And of course, if you synchronize it across all the images you bring in, it's going to give you the same consistent retouch and results in the editing. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started. If you look at this image very well, one of the things you will notice is that she has quite a blemish. The blemishes are, quite enormous. And if we are to start removing all these blemishes using Photoshop, you know how much time that is going to take you to clean all of this up. Let me show you how quickly we can do that using Kumoo. So all I need to do is to increase the acne on the face, that of the body, reduce the body blemish, and boom, almost all of them are gone. Look at that, the before, the after. And once you do that, you go through your image. If you want to reduce all these highlights on her forehead, you can just increase your matzy a little and reduce the forehead wrinkles, the dark circle, if she has some eye bags and all of that. The wrinkles around eye, cheek line as well, and the smile line. And we are good to go. That is it, the before, the after. Now, let's quickly get down to proper retouching. Of course, a normal regular photographer would want to do frequency separation first. So we'll go to our frequency separation for face. We just increase it and add a little bit of high pass so that we'll still have our textures perfectly preserved. Do the same thing for frequency separation body. And this is the before, this is the after. So I'm still noticing few blemishes on her face, and to fix that, we just have to increase our neutral gray leveling. And it takes care of that. Do the same thing for our skin refinement effect and add some contour to it. The before, the after. Then we'll come to our skin tone balancing. We'll just increase our skin tone balancing to balance the skin between her face and her hand and her body. So we'll get a uniform skin tone. We'll just add a little bit of color grading to it. So I think I'll go towards a very natural tone so that I don't lose her original tone a lot, and add a little bit of warmthness to it. And this is the result, the before, the after. You can decide to stop here. You already have a clean image. But if you want to take it further, you might want to improve her makeup by coming to the makeup slider, enhance her eyebrow, enhance her eye makeup, then add some shadows and add some highlights. The before and the after. If you have some blushes on, you can as well enhance it and also enhance the lips makeup. You can as well come in here to change anything in her face that you would want to change. Maybe you want to change her eyeliner. If you click on it, you notice a new eyeliner just appears on her eyes. And you have the eye smile, you have the contact if you want to add some contact. So let's try adding the contact that looks the same with her dress. We of course needs to bring it down. Very good. You can even introduce catch lights. You can introduce your catch light from here. So let's add some highlights a little. Okay, that was off. So you need to look for the one that will suit your own image. I think we don't have anyone for us, so go to north. Let's leave it the way she is to avoid spoiling the whole thing. And this is how you do it. So if you want to maybe put the background to a pure white, of course it's already on a pure white background. But in case you want to put your own on a pure white background, just go to the background slider over here and click on the white or any other color that you can see on your screen, and you will get practically the same result. Look at it, the white. So we have the white even cleaner than it was before now. And that is all we have to. So if you have multiple images, you can just hold your shift and select them, go to synchronize, and you synchronize it, and the job is done. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Do make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to get access to Kumu, go to the description of this video. You're going to see the link there. Click on it and download the Kumu software right now. And when you are registering, use our promo code, which is also on the description, to purchase your credits and gain access to 30% extra bonus. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you follow us for more.